how to integrate FreshBooks with Indeed. Now, this video is going to be a complete step-by-step tutorial. So if you follow along, by the end of this video, you will be able to integrate FreshBooks with Indeed. Okay, so to do this, you first of all want to load up FreshBooks right here. And once this is loaded up, all you need to do is click on your settings icon in this top left corner. That is going to load up this drop-down menu. So from here, just click into Apps and Integrations, and that is going to take you over to this area right here. Now, all we need to do is go down to the very bottom option, which is Indeed, and click to open this up. It then says Indeed, so we just click on Connect Now right here. And that is going to take you over to a screen where it basically asks you, do you want to connect FreshBooks with Indeed? All we have to do here is click on Allow, and then sign into FreshBooks. So if I just go ahead and sign in, FreshBooks would like to access your account, so we click Allow, and then, boom. You can go ahead and post a job if you would like to. However, if I now go back and hit refresh, you will see that FreshBooks and Indeed is now connected, and that is how you can integrate FreshBooks with Indeed.